How to fix keeps overheating in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on location. Now swipe down again, click on location. Now turn on location. After that, put unused app to sleep. Now open settings, scroll down, click on battery, click on background usage limits. Here you will see put unused app to sleep. And if you want to turn on put unused app to sleep, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, put unused app to sleep, turn on from your phone. Now click on sleep apps. Now click on add button. Now here you will see app. Select app that you want to add. After selecting app, click on add. After click on add, selected app will be added. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps overheating in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.